What's up, Faceless family? Welcome to Debt Busters. I am currently open for enrollment and I'm excited to accept new students. In this course, we will delve into the world of niche YouTube channels, which I believe are the future of YouTube and one of the most lucrative ways to earn money online. The best part is, you won't need to show your face, handle a camera, or record videos. Niche channels offer a fantastic opportunity, and now is the perfect time to start before it becomes too competitive. I must emphasize that this course is not a magic formula for instant success. Your results depend on how diligently you apply the strategies and information provided. While I can't promise you 1 million subscribers overnight, what I can guarantee is that you'll learn the exact tactics Matt Parr taught me, plus a few extra things I've discovered along the way. My clients and I are achieving incredible results on YouTube. This program is a practical and comprehensive guide. I'm thrilled to share my knowledge and support you on your journey to success with niche YouTube channels. I've been getting so many messages from people who want to do YouTube and who want my help in doing so. In the past, I've had to say no because I just don't have enough time to help everyone. That's when I decided to set time aside, slow down my video release schedule, and make something that can really help my viewers. Now I'm finally opening the program before closing it really soon. So at this point, you're probably asking, Keith, what's included within Cash Cow Channel Builder? So here's exactly what you're going to be getting. Module number 1. I welcome you into Cash Cow Channel Builder, show you how to use this course and what to do step by step. And we review some case studies of channels that are making a ton of money on YouTube without showing their face. In Module 2, I give you what precious few other YouTube content creation courses are teaching right now. I teach you how to leverage artificial intelligence to streamline your content creation process, including using AI scriptwriters, text-to-video software, text-to-speech software, how to beat GPT detection software, and how to avoid copyright issues. Module 3 is a short one about creating a Google account and making a YouTube channel. Some of you may think it's self-explanatory, but you'd be surprised how many questions I get about this step. Module 4 covers optimizing your YouTube channel. I'll walk you through optimizing your channel layout, how to create a free logo for your YouTube channel, making channel art, verifying your YouTube channel, how to set upload defaults, adding your watermark, how to add channel keywords, concerns about videos made for kids, for those of you considering making children's channels, and adding channel description and links. Module 5 is all about choosing a niche and finding videos to model. I'll teach you what makes a good niche, what niches you might want to consider making content for, and how to do your content research. Module 6 is about setting your channel up for success. This module is, in my opinion, the most important module in the course. I'll teach you the 33 rule and suggested video loops. That lesson basically teaches you how to go viral on YouTube. Then there's the secret SEO keyword process, my secret weapon for getting your content suggested to viewers over and over again. Finally, there's implementing the keyword strategy, where you get to see exactly how to set all this up and use it to gain subscribers, increase watch time, monetize your channel, and find your ideal viewer. Module 7 teaches you how to generate and upload your videos. You'll learn how to finding stock footage to use for your videos, free music for your videos, so you don't get into copyright trouble, how to download YouTube videos and use them in your videos, how to edit a video, how to upload YouTube videos, first thing to do after uploading, this is a crucial step, and how to schedule videos. That will allow you to have some free time away from your channel and still earn money while you enjoy yourself. In Module 8, we'll talk about optimizing your videos, including how to make a custom thumbnail, finding good titles and tags for your videos, the latest techniques for optimizing your description to get views, how to increase watch time and subscribers, and how to write your scripts. Now, Module 9 is a fun one, where I teach you exactly how to make money on YouTube, including how exactly do YouTubers make money, how to put ads on your videos, the secret to multiplying your revenue, and how to make 10 times more money than most YouTubers. It's no secret that many YouTubers have no idea how to make money on the platform. I'll teach you how to make sure that doesn't happen to you. In Module 10, I'll teach you about YouTube analytics. This skill is how you know what's working on your channel and what isn't. I'll teach you about studying watch time and audience retention and the all-important click-through rate and how to blow up on YouTube. By the time you reach Module 11, you've completed the course. In doing so, I'll teach you how you can partner with me and earn even more money on YouTube. I know you've seen how expensive YouTube content creation courses can be. Many are well over $300. Some are even nearly $1,000. I've seen one from a very popular creator that costs over $5,000. I strongly believe that Cash Cow Channel Builder offers a value of well over $2,000 when put into practice. In my personal opinion, niche channels are the most effective way to earn money online. However, my goal with Cash Cow Channel Builder is to democratize access to YouTube automation secrets and make sure that YouTube is no longer pay to win, as some people have said. Cash Cow Channel Builder empowers creators worldwide to unlock their maximum potential and attain financial independence. If you want to monetize your YouTube channel without showing your face, you can enroll in Cash Cow Channel Builder for $24.97 per month. That's less than $1 a day. I reviewed this course with Matt Parr and he thinks it's great. In fact, he believes it's so good I could easily sell it for $497. My goal is to make a course that's easily accessible to the average YouTuber and to help him or her gain financial freedom. We debated the merits of the price and we came to a compromise. Cash Cow Channel Builder will sell for $24.97 per month until I've helped a certain number of students. After that, the price will go up to a flat fee of $497. But here's something I didn't tell Matt. If you're one of the first 100 people to use the code EarliestBird25, you'll be able to get the course for 25% off. I've been delighted by the enthusiastic interest from individuals looking to join the program through the video series. If you feel like this is right for you, simply click the link below this video, sign up for Cash Cow Channel Builder, and get access to the most cost-effective YouTube program on the market for the lowest price possible.